So guys, I'm going to teach you how to generate text in your video. Let's say you are recording a YouTube video, Instagram or TikTok video, and you want what you are saying in that video to be displaying on the screen in form of a text. I'm going to teach you that. So I will encourage you that you stick around to the end so that you see how I will do this and you can start implementing it. For us to generate this, we'll come to Capcut. So go to your phone and click on Capcut. If you don't have it, go and download it. Alright, so once you click on the Capcut, then you click on new project. So I'll click on new project. Once I click on new project, it will take me to my phone camera so that I can select the video I want to use for this editing. So let me look for a video that I'll be using. So I'll just click on it. Once I click on the video, then I'll click on add. So once I'll click on add, so it will now take us to this place. So here we are. So guys, this video I'm going to be using for example does not have any text recorded in it. So I'm going to play it for you guys so that you can listen to it and see that there is no generated text, there is no text displaying. But in the case of this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate text on this particular video that does not have any text initially. Alright, so just listen to the video carefully.
In 2024 and make a lot of money for yourself. These businesses are lucrative, they are high in demand. With the right implementation, with the right management, you are going to make a lot of money for yourself.
So you can see that there is no text generated. I was just talking and there is no text in it. So I'm going to impute text into this video so that whenever I'm talking, then what I'm saying will be displaying on the screen. Alright, so you have to pay attention to what I'm going to be doing so that you can learn fast and also do your own. Alright, so for me to do that, I will take the video to the very first place that it started, that is the beginning. So we are back to the text. Once I click on text, then I'll click on auto caption. So once I click on auto caption, it will now take us to this very place. So we'll wait for it to generate templates for us. So these are the templates here. These templates are the format that the write-up will be displaying on your phone. We have the bold ones, we have the tiny one, we have the colored ones. So depending on your preference, you look for the one that you feel that you are okay with. So I'm trying to look for a template that is okay with me. I'm looking for something big, something kind of bold, so that when I'm playing the video, people can easily see the write-up without stressing themselves, right? So this is the tiny one. We have different types. So I'll just click on this one. This one is kind of bold. So once I click on the particular template that I want, so I'll click on it. Then I'll come to this place and click on generate. So click on generate and wait for it to generate right up for us. Alright, so let's be patient for it to generate. This is pretty easy. Just pay attention to what I'm saying and you're going to understand it and can also do your own. So you can see that the text has been generated. These are the tests. You can see the text has been generated. So what I'm going to do is, if you don't like the size, let's say it's too small, you can just click on it like so and drag it to the size you want. You can see that as I'm dragging it, it's becoming very bold. Then if I reduce it, it will become very tiny. So this is how to do it. You can either drag it or leave it like so. But I want it a little big, so that is why I'm dragging it. So once you drag it, then you position it in the place that you want it to be, in the appropriate place. So this size is okay for me. So let me play it now so that you see what is going to be displaying as I'm talking. Alright, so just pay attention and listen.
4 unique business ideas that you can start up in Nigeria in 2024 and make a lot of money for yourself. These businesses are lucrative, they are high in demand.
So you can see that as I'm talking, what I'm saying is displaying. The text has been generated. You can see it now. So this is how most people do their video while they are talking. The text, what they are saying, will be displaying on the screen. But there is a problem here. The problem is that most of the time, the text that will be generated on this platform does not correspond with what you are saying. So in order to be on a safer side, it's not really all the time, but most of the time, it's not usually accurate. Maybe one or two things may be missing out there. So what you are going to do is to click on the text here. Once you click on it, then you click on the text like so. Once you click on it, then you click on edit. Click on the edit. So it will now bring you to this place. This is where you have the test of what you will be displaying. That is what you are saying. So what you will do is for you to go through and see if there is any error, for you to just edit them. Because sometimes maybe you said demand and another thing will display instead of demand. So you will just come to this place, read through your generated text and see if they correspond to what you are saying. Anyone that does not correspond, you just click on it and edit it, and you are good to go. So this is how to do it. It's very simple, it's not hard. So just edit everything. All right. Once you are done editing, then you can now play. So let's play the video again so that you see how beautiful it looks.
Four unique business ideas that you can start up in Nigeria in 2024 and make a lot of money for yourself. These businesses are lucrative, they are high in demand. With the right implementation.
So you can see now that this is very simple to do. Is as simple as ABC. So generating text in a video is very simple and is a way of elevating one's video. All right. So now I know that you have learned how to generate text on your videos and you can start implementing them. All right, so right now I'm done generating text. What I'm going to do is to click on this export so that I will now download it into my device. All right, so this is how to do it. So just click on the export and that is it. You wait for it to download and you are good to go.